one minute. Just 1 minute. Question, Anurag, 1 minute. Question is, Prithviraj Chavan ने कहा कि we must not have a kangaroo court in this country, and he said he should be put under trial, and he was almost talking as if he's innocent till proven guilty. That's the point. ऐसे argument पेश की उन्होंने, ऐसे argument पेश की. It's a fact, Vivek Srivastava. The argument presented was almost as if he's innocent and he's going to be made through a kangaroo court process. Yes. What constituency is the Congress trying to appeal to by making that point? Vivek.
I endorse what he said. I endorse what he said. Number one, and number two, he said it because if you read the clauses of the extradition treaty, it is very clear. We have got him under certain conditions. Interrogation have to happen in a certain way. Torture cannot be done. He can be tried only for those cases which have been mentioned while the extradition was being done. So there are conditions. And that is what Prithviraj was talking about. You cannot just simply go and hang up somebody. Trial to chalega na. And human rights people in America have already gone. People are already moving the courts and saying that he has got the cancer.
Deepak on the left. Deepak is responding. You are responding? Okay, go on. Satya Prakash is responding. Satya and Vivek.
You know, your party was in power with Congress party in UPA tenure. Your party never opposed and never came out and taken a stand. What happened and when it was leveled that it was carried out by the RSS and its outfit.
We don't need
Mr. Vivek Srivastava, I was hearing you, listening you.
We don't go for rhetoric.
Please listen. Okay. Your party never come out in against of that theory.
But talk sensibly.
When it was labeled that RSS carried out Mumbai attack.
Why did they say that?
Why you people always shy away from taking such a tough stand? My heart goes out.
Yes,
I may come out tomorrow with a statement.
No. My stand is very clear. The DNA of RSS is such
India's position.
That the suspicion was justified.
Come on. When I'm exposing you, you are just jumping like a popcorn. So just stop, please. Have patience and listen to me.
You don't have to expose me. You can't expose me.
And listen to me.
We know the DNA of the RSS and the kind of violence it has done.
You people have never been very tough on terrorism and pro-Pakistani terrorism sponsored by Pakistan. You people have never been. Otherwise, you know, Pakistan, country like Pakistan wouldn't have dared to, just send any single man to India. You people have never been tough.
Pakistan,
even Dinkar said, छीनता हो सत्य कोई और तू तेज तब त्याग से काम ले पाप है
Akhil on the left.
बढ़ता रहा तेरी तरफ जो हाथ है आज हम उसको अमेरिका की धरती से खींच कर लाए हैं और आज कोई भारत को आतंकवाद से डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकता ये हमारे
इनसे पूछिए ये बिरयानी खाने
कांग्रेस पार्टी एंड युवराज ऑफ कांग्रेस पार्टी एवरीबॉडी रिमेन्ड साइलेंट फॉर 10 years and even they allowed Pakistan
गुजरात के रास्ते
to carry out investigation in Pakistani territory regarding the role of